The ale house symbolizes a change of scenery. The family, consisting of a couple and 2 children, decided to move from the busy life of the capital, Porto Alegre, to live in Canela, Brazil, an inland town located in the Serra Gaúcha region. At first glance, the house appears to be a single-story structure with a metal roof that covers the vehicles and extends over the rear porch. Combined with the open slatted wood that defines the car shelter, this element contrasts with the weight of the solid concrete volume. As the plot has a 4.5-meter slope, access to the house is via the upper floor, where the private area of the residence is located, including the hallway and 4 suites. An internal garden in the vertical circulation makes the journey from the entrance to the social area more interesting, as this route covers a greater distance than usual. Besides the aesthetic gain, this strategy floods the ground floor with natural light and allows for cross-ventilation on this level. The area dedicated to social use consists of the kitchen, dining, and living spaces, with the living room integrated with the TV room when desired, expanding the space capacity on days when family and friends are entertained. In terms of materiality, to complement the irregular Miracema stone cladding and exposed concrete, the natural wood flooring continues the window closures, and the tone is repeated in the leather upholstery in combination with neutral shades, giving prominence mainly to the green surroundings, which invade the spaces through the openings. The porch, fully connected to the interior space, is sheltered by the overhang of the upper volume and allows for contemplation of the gated community's natural area, with views oriented towards a lake, seeking the slower pace desired by the family at this new stage of life. The private area, on the same level as the house's entrance, includes a guest room, children's rooms, and at the back, with the best orientation and views, the couple's room.